Turbo. Not bad. Woo. Woo. You already know. Smack that subscribe.
Hey guys, what is up? Toy Top, I'm back with another video. So, today, you can tell, by the title of the thumbnail, I picked up a dirt bike. Shout out to my cousin Yoda, he gave me a good deal on it. Shout out to him. So, we're gonna be outside now. We just gotta do a couple things to it, it needs some love. But, yeah, let me stop talking, go over the bike. I just went to DHY. I had to pick up a clutch cable, because the clutch cable snapped. After I throw this clutch cable on, we're gonna go on a test ride, then see what else it needs. I know it's gonna need a tune up, the oil change, see all that stuff, and see what happens. Good. Here this puppy goes. Fresh 2019 CRF 250R, baby. Do a little walk around. Jeez. Thing looking good. I know we need to clean it, you know. I give it cleaning. We need a seat cover. I don't know why these Yamahas. I know all of them rip right here. So we have to get a new seat cover. I love the Pro Taper bars, but we have to get rid of them. I don't like the red ones. I think they're actually a little bent. We gotta get some new grips. Let's see. You know, clutch cable, because the Halston's here for everything, but that clutch cable is completely gone. But yeah, I want to change that little blue thing. I don't really like that. Put that back to stock, a little black one or something. But then yeah, oh, street tires, we got to take them off. We want to put some dirt tires. Yeah, let's see this puppy. Oh shit. I don't know what's going on, but they didn't want to start there. Uh-oh. Did you get 11? The gas? I don't know what's going on. Hit a bird. Ah! Yes. This I'm gonna have to get used to. This little seat cover hack thing. Not the seat cover. This little gas tank. I'm gonna get used to that. That's a little strange, but let's get this thing started and let's talk to you in a couple minutes. Alright, I don't know why it's going on. I don't know why it's not starting. I'm going to change the clutch cable real quick. Then I'm going to try to bump start, see what's going on. Because I ain't gonna lie, I just took it out of the garage. And when I took it out of the garage, I hit the button earlier by accident and it just boom, start right up. And now, I didn't do nothing to it. I just walked it out front. Oh crap. But I noticed this peg right here is bent too. We're gonna have to buy some new pegs. That thing's roasted. But yeah. Let me change this clutch cable real quick. And then we're gonna try to bump start it. Like I told you, this thing needs a tune up and been sitting for a long time. The bike was barely driven, that's the thing. He let his friends drive it and stuff. He let her friends drive it and they destroyed it. He barely drove it. Bike has low hours. I gotta try to figure out how many hours on here. I know there's that app. You go on there, but I think that wires got cut by accident or something. So I take a picture and put it here. Yeah, so that's what happened. Sometimes the wire ripped. That might be a trouble. That why it's probably not starting right now. I gotta try to figure that out. But I looked it up. That box is like 500 bucks, 600. That's a lot of money. You know, I'm used to the two-strokes. They're a lot cheaper. My 125, I can get a rebuild for 500. Yeah, but yeah, let's stop talking. Let's put this clutch cable on. Let's get to work, baby. Let's get it. Let's see what tools we're gonna need. Right, let's take this over. Got my tools. Put them on the seat. Look at Ron over here, man. Oh, we got a little zip tie action right there. But let me get my phone up and I'm gonna record it on my phone. My GoPro's dead. And I'm gonna show you. What would you do without your nose? Alright, so that's how it looks. Got it running down here. You can see there's the clutch cable. Got it running down to there to here. It's zip tied right there. Runs around and goes to there, baby. So we have to break one zip tie here. And then let's get it. So I gotta take these two off. These are 8mm. Pop them out. Put a clutch cable here. Run it up here. Down there. Let's get it. So first, let's hook it up from the top. Let's get it. I should probably use my GoPro for this. Oh, the button's still lit up. There we go. Take this front plate off. Oh, you shitting me. This thing snapped. Oh, we need a new number plate. Going there to buy zip ties right now because the plate snapped. Damn. We need some love. Don't worry, too tricky. I'll take care of you. I'll show you some love. So we're gonna have to turn these handlebars this way, that way I can, but it's like gonna fall. I hope not, but you can see this runs straight down the side of the frame, behind the radiator, and on to the rest. Let's get it real quick. Alright. Snip. Bring it downtown, baby. Alright, now you guys are able to see better. But first, let's run this one down. Going right down. Through here. Up here. You gotta unscrew this little fucker. Pause this real quick. Taking a little long. Alright, so after I cut the zip tie from there, I ran the wire up. And now fell back down. Let go of it. Right? After you run it up, you gotta take the boots and stuff off of here. You gotta reuse them. So. Alright, so now these guys should be able to see. We run the wire through here. Run through here. Put the boot on. This looks a little dark. There you go. Now you guys can see. So I ran the wire through here. Put this boot on. Right? You put this cover on, and now you hook it up to the clutch right now. Pause it. Alright. So like I was saying, put this on. It just keeps falling the F off. Just run this straight through here. Bang. Run that through here. Bang. Pop this one. Bada bang. Then pop this one. And then this is how you're going to do your adjustments later on. But now that's hooked up, it won't fall down. And let's take it down below. Pause. Let's take the tool set down here. Give me this. We want a 8mm. Oh wait, do we have 8mm? I don't know if we have an 8mm one here. We might have to get a different tool set. Yeah, we don't have an 8. The lowest is on here is a 10 and a 3/8. Damn, I gotta go to new tools. Let's take these bolts off real quick. Gloves gotta come off, baby. Now we gotta deal with this. You gotta take this off. Let me get some pliers. I got this. Got this. Take this nut off the back. Could have did this. You could have kept this bracket on the bike, being honest. But now this wire is no good. Go to the side. Get your new one. Put it on like this. Looks just like that. Then, look, the nut's already on there, so you're already done. Now, you just gotta put this mofo and the bracket on there. But we need to get a lot of tension for that, like we just did. Then we'll be good. I ain't gonna lie. That damn thing's stuck. There's the broken piece out. That was a little bit of a pain. Not too much of a pain. Just a little bit of a pain. Now, you just pop that new one in there. If you could do it. Are you dumb? It's like, I'm just joking. So, as you can see, we got it in there now. Now, tighten these things up. Tighten this right here. Tighten this back bolt. Back. And then we'll be done. Easy peasy. Put that one in. Put the bottom one in. Turn that like a little adjustments. That was the bottom one. Alright. Boom. That's done. Now we just gotta zip tie that mofo. I got running the house, got some zip ties. Put the zip tie there, like how it was. Then I go up here, put this in here. Now it's gonna be adjustment time from up here. Alright, so I got bad news. I just did all that to find out it's the wrong wrong clutch cable. I was doing adjustments in the what and get adjustment. I'm looking at it. Why not? And that's the code BR926335. Here it's BR3500. So it's a little bit different. I measured them together next to each other. The outer hose is the same size, but I guess the inside wire is a little longer. I couldn't get it to tighten up, so mission failed. But we got this bike. Lazy 250. We should have a fun summer. Let's get this thing ready before summer gets here. New grips, bars, and let's see. Doesn't like you guys for some reason. Every time I pick the camera, it doesn't start. Alright, put choke in. Put the bag, because I'm going to try to return that mofo. That was $45. There we go. Hear that birdie girl? I think idle's good. Bike's loud. It's loud. We gotta get a exhaust tip too. It's a little banged up. Do a little heat cycle, you know? They're having problems starting without the choke, so let's do a little heat cycle. Talk to you in a couple minutes. Alright, so I just have to put a list together. I know the things I need, so I know I need a pump brake. I don't want to change plastics, but they are beat up. But they're going to get beat up, so I'm probably going to end up just keeping these for now. Especially because I want to practice my wheelie game. Same with the exhaust, we're going to keep that the same for now too. I want to replace it really bad, but we're going to keep it like that because I want to practice my wheelies. And you know, we might be doing some bum ride and stuff, so that's why I have to stay for a little while. Yeah, it's a really nice bike, 2019, 250. Super clean. Just gotta get some love as well. Bike will be brand new again. It's not old too. Oh yeah. But I guess you can tell by, you know, people say a lot of wear and tear. Plates are still like good. Ain't really much on them. Yeah. We'll fix it all up. Alright, so look at my hairdo. I'm sorry that this video wasn't successful. We didn't complete the clutch kit, but it really wasn't about the clutch kit, clutch cable. It really wasn't about that anyway. It was about me getting my new bike. So we got a new bike. Let's stay tuned. Gotta get some new parts for it. So that'll be a chapter. You know, we're gonna do some videos, how to do the brakes, how to do grips, how to do seat cover, how to do all that stuff. So stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed, smack the subscribe. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you're not subscribed. If you're not subscribed, any questions, comment down below. I hope to catch you more videos.